As a personal injury attorney, I get calls all the time about people who were injured or killed in a motorcycle accident. When a car collides with a motorcyclist, it is usually the driver of the car who is at fault, and it's usually the motorcyclist who gets seriously injured. In a motorcycle accident lawsuit, there are 4 main types of damages that can be recovered. 1. Medical bills, or funeral expenses if the person tragically died. 2. Lost wages. 3. Pain and suffering. And 4. Oftentimes, punitive damages. The amount of the damages depends on 2 primary factors. 1. The extent of the injuries, and 2. The degree of carelessness on the part of the driver who caused the collision. But these cases can be worth hundreds of thousands and sometimes even millions of dollars. Keep in mind that the ability to recover a big settlement depends on the amount of the insurance coverage. You may have $1 million in damages, but if the other side only carries $15,000 in liability insurance and you don't have uninsured motorist coverage, you may only be able to cover $15,000 in damages. If you or a loved one was the victim of a motorcycle accident, call us here at Shouse Law Group. We will devise a plan to get you the maximum possible settlement.